All right, what's up, guys? So last week I missed an upload because I went out the weekend prior and I was hoping to have a drifting video because on Saturday we got my car on the alignment rack. We got the whole alignment dialed in and we took it street drifting at the spot that we normally go to test the car. Well, about 15 minutes in before I even started recording video, I just did like a couple shakedown laps. Side note, the steering and the new angle feels amazing and I can't wait to get to the track. But cop showed up, I got yelled at a lot. And thankfully he let us all go and just basically told us not to come back for a while. So I didn't get a street drifting video. And I was really hyped because I wanted to show you guys a video of me finally not working at my house or in the driveway and actually using the car. But you're gonna have to wait a little bit longer for that video. So I've been street driving the car, just shaking everything down. I found some issues that I'm gonna have to address, just little things around the car, like my O2 sensor for my wideband decided to die because my drive shaft ate the wiring for it. But I got this new GoPro that I'm gonna be using to record with from now on over the iPhone 11. And today will be the first video that I use the GoPro, so let me know what you guys think of the video quality compared to the iPhone. I don't know if it's gonna be much different when I'm just doing like a driveway video like this, but I came home the other day and my back left tire was flat the following morning. So I'm gonna have to pull that off and check it out. And then maybe I'll give you guys some updates on little things I've done to the car and parts that I've ordered and things like that. All right, so along with having a GoPro, I now have the ability to put a GoPro on my head for you guys to, I guess, follow me along here. Well, that's strange. I don't see anything wrong. All right, so since I didn't see anything with the wheel off, I just got some soapy water. And the first place I would check is the valve stem. And I already sprayed some water on, but you spray around the base and nothing's bubbling, so it's sealing against the wheel. And then you can spray inside the valve stem itself. And I think I found my leak right there. So when the soapy water bubbles, obviously it means there's a leak. So I'll get a valve stem tool, I'll try and tighten that down a little bit more, and or I'll just replace the core. Now from a tire kit, you could use a little valve stem tool here, and I'll simply put it in, screw it in. It already seems tight, so I'll just double check, make sure it's still leaking. It's actually not leaking now. So sometimes what seems to be a possibly crappy issue can just be a simple fix like that. So now on the interior of the car, I ordered new harnesses. So I'll have some new NRG harnesses on the way shortly. They're going to be purple, so they'll actually match the car instead of these red ones that I bought way back. I actually bought these red ones just because we had them in stock and I needed them for an event. So that's why I ended up with the red. But I have the purple ones on order, so they should be coming from NRG. As for the Cadillac, I haven't really touched it since the oil cooler video. I am going to be doing a headlight restoration on that and painting the insides of the headlights. I just need to find the time to do it. And then I'm this close to just pulling the plug on a cam kit for that car too, so that would open up a whole nother can of worms with that car. And the Suburban, I ordered brakes. That's about it. I have this hella light bar for it, this guy right here. It's a pretty dope hella light bar. It's like a pretty expensive unit too, and I've been meaning to put that on, and I think what I'm going to do is put that on, tuck it in the bumper, and wire it in so that it's wired to the factory fog light switch, because the fog lights on that truck are busted up, and I ordered new ones 2 years ago when I bought the truck and they've been on back order. So I think I might just scratch the fog lights because I don't use them anyway and wire them to that hella bar. Thanks. All right, so we're out here. We've been chilling, socially distanced and stuff. And I got a new camera, shooting on a GoPro from here on forward.
I bet you drives like shit in the parking lot. Sorry, you got to redo that frame. Rob, Ganger.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Totally redo that
So I
one.
got a GoPro. I'm gonna be using that to record from now on. It'll probably be a lot better than the iPhone, especially for drifting, and a lot better than the action cam for drifting. Yeah, I know. It's like almost that golden hour, a little cloud cover. Oh wow, you can see your blow-off valve now. But you painted it. Like you can see it through the hood vent.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Did you use high temp paint?
Yeah. Should I use an cover?
Rookie.
No wonder the valve cover chipped.
Yeah.
Can't get that color in anything else. It's stupid color, torque and teal.
Torque and teal.
Torque and teal.
Yeah, brother. Got the torque and teal.
Yep. This thing's perfect right now. I could pretty much just floor it everywhere.
Hot as hard.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, man.
I just saw you guys at the Dairy Queen on
Oh shit.
whatever that road was, because I know I've seen your car.
Saturdays are for the boys are back.
Yo. Saturdays are for the drift events if we can get one.